guys, I hope you guys are doing well. It's a Sunday and we are going on another side quiz, but this time it is to, give me a sec, let me ask you, who you're going to, Germany versus Japan. And yeah, we're going to watch some cars, so let's go guys, let's get there. It's somewhere along somewhere in the south, right? Yeah, it's somewhere in the south. So I'll pinpoint the location because I don't really know the location, but currently we're at the mall. Some people are buying the tickets because we're going with a couple of people. So yeah, let's go. I look so good, the sun is doing me justice. But other than that, let's go guys on another side quiz to Germany versus Japan, another car show. The what?
I'll buy one package for us. I'm not gonna charge it.
Yeah, but remember we're not going alone, right?
No.
Yeah, where are the snacks? No, like you.
Yes, been in the group before. Yeah, because she even popped. You could laugh. Yeah. Oh, now you put them in the table, emotionally. But I know, I'm going to keep piping down.
We have arrived and right now we're going to the gate to get our tickets checked or everything like that. So yeah, my legs hurt, really damn hurt, and I'm a bit tired, so let's go. Bloody damn. This one is so cute. Oh, bloody damn. Oh, no, that's a nice one. Not bad. Oh, looks. Hi. How? Oh my word. It seems like you are the one who's gonna be forgetting people. Oh. There. Right there, sexy. Oof, not bad. Something hard.
You forced to leave, man. The way I've been doing that thing. Mom, Dad, I'm a she and a forced to leave.
Isn't it? I wonder what's happening here. So we are watching the cars right now. These sexy little things over here. So come, let's take a stroll and go watch the cars. Now that's ooh, that's nice.
I'm Shanghai V6 on the V5.
I look like a V5 on the video.
On the V5. Yeah, man.
We are at 120, 121, 120, 121, 120. Check that smooth transition. Too smooth, Baba, too smooth. So, DJ switch. Morgan. We're gonna bring the volume down to like a 1.
So call over the jack and cool down.
4, 5, down to the final few. You are allowed to roll it, not lift it. Holding hands in romance on a Sunday. Gonna cut it close. Nice and easy, driver doing a good job, driver doing a good job. Nice, clean and smooth. This is gonna be close. This is going to be close. 119 Russia at German vs. Jap. Sasa Crew proudly endorsed by Autostar Motorsport. I'll let you roll it. Nice and easy. I'll let you roll it. Nice and smooth. Steady, steady. Driver's doing a phenomenal job. You're allowed to roll it. Take your time. We're with you. We're with you. Oh, dude. Hold on. If you don't lift it any higher, I will consider you. It's a little off, but you're doing such a good job. Let's see. My man. Nice and easy. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. That was so close, though. This one, yeah. Yes, like you were downloading cheat codes on the Wi-Fi for free, huh? Yo, how many cards you got left? 3? 4? 3? 4. This is the guy that goes to McDonald's for the free Wi-Fi. Downloads all the cheat codes. This one, yeah. You're a Wi-Fi hunter, I know you.